spuds have flowered down the woods. A bit of cook up. So I come and check the veg. The onions are just like flat, nothing here really. So I've just been pulling them up because I think then, oh, there's a good one. That's a couple. Have a look what we got. Not the best, but that's what we've got here. Another one here. They're not soft. Well, not all of them. Some of them are quite good. I'm picking them anyway. There we go. And look. Woohoo! So I suppose you can tie them up now and put them in a bunch. I take it, let them dry. So I'll pull the rest up in a sec. Oh, it looks like a big one here. Or is it? Oh, he's alright. Another one. Nope. So, come autumn, we're going to feed this with manure and whatnot. We'll have to, we'll weed it. A couple more here. Look. There we go. And look, sounds like the grandkids have turned up. I've got chicken on. There we go. I've been told this soil's really good for carrots as well, so we'll do that next year. Oh, bloody, what are they screaming at? Okay. This is the second bunch. If Lewis, just lower that one down a bit.
Don't ask Lewis again.
That's it. There, Lewis, can you short? Can you hold it there? This is our second bunch. And then we'll hang them up. Oh, where's that gone?
You could do it like the French do,
I
in,
know.
in a plait.
And then these are going. Oh, maybe not that side. Don't want them both together, do we?
You can have it underneath.
Yeah.
You've got a, no, I've got a nail. Okay.
Woohoo! Second lot. Okay, that's the third set. And we've only got a few left with no tails on. I'll show you them. Okay, just gonna leave these on the tray. There's a soft one there.
Oh, I only want
Two
20, Mum.
two
This is
soft
how
ones.
I said 20.
Right, before we were rudely interrupted by these horrible people. No, we're at the woods. Family's with us, so that's all right. So we're going to put these. I'll clean the tray and just leave them on the tray for now. I think there's a couple of ones. That's soft. That's no good. There's another one here somewhere. It's soft. Where is it? No, it seems all right. Just that one. Okay.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes